yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, black color, and yellow ochre color. So okay, so now you draw A and use yellow color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. It's now you draw J, the alphabets of J, and use red color. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. It's now you draw T, the alphabets of T, and use blue color. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for wheel. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Okay, so now you draw numbers, and first you draw 1 and use green color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow ochre color, and yellow color. So okay, it's now you draw A and use red color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. Okay, so now you draw F, the alphabets of F, and use blue color. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. Okay, so now you draw I, the alphabets of I, and use green color. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. Okay, so now you draw N, the alphabets of N, and use black color. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for red color, yellow color, green color, black color, yellow ochre color, and blue color. So okay, it's now you draw 1 and use red color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kids, now you draw 7. The numbers of 7 and use yellow color. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kids, now you draw 13. The numbers of 13 and use green color. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Kids, now you draw 19 and use black color. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and light green color, black color, yellow color, orange color, light green color, sky blue color, brown color, purple color, green color, blue color, pink color, and red color. So kids, now you draw A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, so now you draw E. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse. I for ice cream. Kids, so now you draw J. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. And N for nose. Kids, so now you draw O. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, so now you draw R. R for rose. S for sun. T for teacher. U for umbrella. Kids, so now you draw V. V for vanilla. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. And Z for zebra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so now you draw 7. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.